You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update: beware of the new Go-based malware. Do you run a business heavily dependent on computers? You're not alone. So beware of the new Go-based malware that threatens your cybersecurity. So what is Go-based malware? Go is a programming language often referred to informally as Golang, which is developed at Google. Similar to Java, you need to have Go installed on your computer in order to run the programs written in this language. If you do, you're at risk of running Go-based malware. The language finds its greatest popularity in cloud-based and server-side applications, artificial intelligence and data science, command line tools, robotics, and gaming. JaskaGo, the new malware using the Go programming language, represents significant security concerns with Go written malicious software. It was first discovered in July of 2023 and masquerades as legitimate installers like CapCut or security tools like AnyConnect. When installed, it takes steps to avoid detection before it begins stealing private information and gaining permission to do more devastating acts, such as installing more malware. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. 1. A universal threat. One of its most pernicious effects concerns its ability to target Windows, macOS, and Linux using the same codebase. This means the malware developer only needs to write one code for multiple platforms. If you use Go on your computer, regardless of the operating system, you're at risk. 2. Prevention is better than cure. Keep your malware protection current and consider investing in higher level software security services. Additionally, help your employees beware of the new Go-based malware by properly training them. Conduct regular training in identifying phishing techniques and suspicious links and teach them to avoid clicking on any download that doesn't have a verifiable source. Training your employees is the best option to prevent malware of all types. And 3, removing JaskaGo. Suppose you've already experienced a Go-based malware attack. Your IT department can remove the program and repair the damage in that case. It's a complicated process, but most capable IT departments will be able to do so. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your cyber fit score using our proprietary cyber fit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update. This is Matt Cordell signing off.